If you are traveling to Dumaguete City and nangita mo fun, daghang outdoor activities, and daghan kaayong Instagrammable spots, then save this video for your next travel guide. Hey guys, Kenneth here. And welcome to the Mango Ranch. And they're located at Valencia Negros Oriental, just across the entrance of Tierra Alta. Upon entry, it feels like you're in a different country na naay daghang kabayo. Tapos kung musulod pa jud ka, naay dako kaayo na windmill. Every corner, every side diri sa Mango Ranch is so beautiful. And it is very Instagrammable. Pwede ra dyan magdagan-dagan ang inyong mga anak kay dako kaayo ang lugar. And naasa sila outdoor activities or adventures sama aning ATV for adults, ATV for kids, excavator zone, bumper cars for adults and kids, and lastly, Mango Ranch Speedway. Nga dako jud kaayo. And mo din ang race guys, so please pause lang for your reference. And diri sa Mango Ranch, naasad sila dako kaayo na water park. And mo din ang race guys, so please pause lang for your reference. And if you are hungry, di mag-goal kay na ang George Steakhouse. Pwede rin mo magdani diri kauban ng imong friends, barkada, pamilya, o imong uyab. Nasa sila private room na 20,000 pesos, good for 20 packs, and it's consumable. Truly, di jud mo mapulan og magtagbaw jud mo diri sa Mango Ranch. And if you're traveling to Dumaguete, include Valencia on your bucket list, visit Mango Ranch, and salamat sa pagtanaw.